everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another unboxing video. So today I have the May daily goodie box for you guys. I'm really excited about this one because normally I don't read ahead of what's going to be in the boxes, but I actually did this time and I got really excited because there were actually some brands that I wanted to try. So let's get started. By the way, everything that is shown will be listed down below in the description box, and let's get into it. Here I have Kika's Treats Salted Crunchy Caramels. These were really good, you guys. I've inserted a picture on what they look like. They are not individually wrapped, they're just kind of in there, but I don't think that they'll last that long, so you don't even have to worry about it, but they're really good. I hope I'm saying this right, but next I have Organic Kombucha in the raspberry lemon flavor. I'm so excited to try this because I love kombucha and I love sparkling water. So this is like both of them together. So I'm excited for this. Raspberry lemon sounds really good. And I'm also excited to order some more because they have mango, and anyone who knows me knows that I absolutely love mango, so I've got to try that out too. Have the Pure Aura Cosmic Shimmer Hologram Foil Mask, and what the foil is for is it's supposed to create an insulation effect so that the product goes into your skin better, and like it increases absorption into your skin. So I think that's a really cool concept, and I also loved this packaging because it actually matches my current nails, so props for that one. But I'm really excited to use this, and there's probably going to be a lot of these products that I'm going to post a review for on my Instagram, so make sure you guys check out my Instagram and go follow me on there if you want to see these reviews. I don't know, maybe I'll make an actual dedicated video for these. Just let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see. Next I have this, I think it's called CUSA tea. It's a premium instant tea. You get a couple of different varieties in this pack, 10 servings, and that is so cool that you can just, it's just a powder that you just dump in like hot water and voila, tea. So next I have the Goddess Garden Organics facial sunscreen, all natural, and I usually don't wear sunscreen, but I will try this out. So next I have the Michele's Granola in the original flavor. This is handmade in small batches, which I really like because I usually never finish an entire huge bag of granola anyway, so this is perfect. And I love that it has like very simple ingredients. You can read every single thing in it, and I'm excited to try this because when I make yogurt at home in my Instant Pot, I like to have granola on it. Now unfortunately this next product I can't try because it came busted. I'm sure it's great, but some kind of way during shipping it got messed up, so that's a bummer. But anyways, next is the, hopefully I'm saying this right, PiperWai activated charcoal deodorant. This is so cool to me because I am forever trying to find a deodorant that actually works, and I already use activated charcoal toothpaste and mouthwash, so and body wash actually too. So this should be, if this works, this will be amazing. So I'm going to post this on my Instagram. Again, make sure you're following me, and I will do a review on this because this is a really awesome concept. So that is all for this video, you guys. Overall, I thought it was an amazing box. Please go ahead and check out that description box. It has all the information on how to get your own box. And if you guys would like and comment on this video, that would help me a lot. And go ahead and subscribe for more, because I do these about once a month. So I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching.